What's up, guys? Have you ever wondered what's in the mall of the Gambia? Whether it's only businesses or whether we have restaurants. I mean, restaurants are top of business, but anyway, let's just find out. We are currently at the mall and let's see what's here. Right now, we're upstairs. So that's the main gate right there, the door, the main entrance actually. I think there's another entrance downstairs. So we're just gonna give you guys a full tour of the place. Tell us what you think. So right here there's another store. It deals in it's Gambia Teachers Union Cooperative Credit Union actually. Wow, so it actually varies. And then here we have, it looks like a fashion shop. It is J and Maha Fashion Shop. Ooh. So there's actually a whole lot of construction ongoing here. Interesting. So we're just going to move on and see what else we have here. To be honest, there are a lot of fashion shops here. It's like there are a lot of people into fashion these days. Some of these shops are actually locked. That's APS. Ooh, so we even have DHL in the Gambia. Another fashion shop. Okay, looks like I'm literally back to where I was, so we'll just go down. That's it for upstairs. Not much, to be honest. I was expecting more. So we're just gonna go down the stairs now and see what we have there. Slowly. Fashion. So many clothes. Is that the only thing we're dealing in the Gambia? What's happening? Okay, should we use this way or this way? I think we should go see what's here. Okay. Slowly. Slowly. Where are we going? Okay. Are these the only things people sell in this country? Clothes? Haven't we had enough of clothes? Man. Slowly. At this point, I feel like I'm going to the same place I was at because there's literally nothing here. Slowly. Let's use this way and see what's actually here. There's literally nothing here, man. I mean, there are stuff here, but and that's it. There's literally nothing. So what way are we going to use? I am literally lost. Okay, let's go outside. And we're outside, but I think it's still part of the mall. More like the maquettes. Okay. Let's go like this and see what's here too. To be honest, I'm actually very surprised. I thought I'll see a lot of things, but it's just lots of shops selling clothes and shoes. And then they're still building more shops up there. Wait, is that it or am I missing something? How is this possible? How is that the only thing here? No, that's not possible. I cannot believe it. That's the only thing here? How? How is that possible? I am really confused right now. The whole mall. Okay. Let's keep going and see. Have we entered here? Okay, let's enter here and see. But anyway, just in case you're wondering, that goes straight to the main entrance to leave the mall totally. So we've entered another place or another section of the mall. And we were here. It's the same place. Namanga. Same thing. We literally use that way. So let's go see the other entrance too, and hopefully there's more to see here. Okay, what's here? We're back in the same spot, guys. I don't know if you recognize here, but we've been here too. This is it. This is literally the whole thing in the mall here. Can you believe it? Because I cannot believe it. And then this stairs go. There's nothing up there actually. So we've got Leon Travel and Consultants. That looks like a restaurant. And that's it. Guys, the Mall of the Gambia is literally just that. Nothing exciting, honestly. I expected more. But no. See, it's the same thing. Jolumalade. And we are back. Can you imagine? That was the mall. I am honestly surprised. I expected so many things, but wow. It's just fabrics, clothes, shoes. That's the only thing in this mall. Okay, and maybe other offices, to be honest. We can give it that. Supersonics, yeah. So, still, it's not exciting as I expected. And this is actually the main entrance. And we were there. That's it. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, that was it for the mall. In case you've never been here, that's it. Nothing exciting, to be honest. Thank you.